Alright guys, we're back on this. We had them studs had to be pulled out. Here you go, check me out. I got the fresh hardware that came with the kit, Loctited the mess out of it. 272 or 273 Loctite, high temp. New studs. You only want to make them to where they're flush. You won't get no head bolt over here. So we got them both in here. Check them out. Washer, bing, bang, boom. Put some fresh anti-seize on our oxygen sensor. This puppy's good to go. Here's the bolt right here. Check him out. Used a combination of some tools. To get those out. First I thought I was gonna have to use a strip nut bolt right here. Got this one right here. That just rounded it off. This puppy right here did all the work. My Milwaukee Fuel. I think this is the right angle. She don't spin real high, but she got that bit on there. Don't even look like she did any damage there. You got a little bit on there, but not much. I ain't used it, but maybe. I think this is the first time really I've had it for a year, maybe. Sat out the box the whole time. But you know, it's good to go there. We got our hardware. I didn't run our new gasket, I want to see. And I didn't think it was gonna fit with our small bolts. So we gotta put this puppy on here. Boom. And then we need to mount the back end on there. So let's get under here. If it's leaking, we'll just have to pull it back down and put the new donut gasket in there. Ain't a big deal. It actually says to reuse it if you're using the stock catalytic converter. And that's what we're using. He didn't get the extra head, or the header, the Solo Performance header. Apparently this thing is just like the Turbo GXP, except this would be a slip-on. This is actually made for this car. So that's nice. They told me a couple different versions, but this is what we got here now. So this thing looks like we got the exhaust hanger. Looks like she's gonna slide on here and possibly slide right up here on this bolt right here. That's what we're gonna run it to. Let's slip it on there. Get her mounted up. 13 extension. Perfect. To get my impact. Ooh, got one light on my Milwaukee Fuel 3/8 impact. Let's pop this puppy out. Woo. See if we can get this joker in here. Joker time. Yeah, yeah. It says to use some soap and water in the instructions, but I got some marine grease right here for wheel bearings and whatnot. We'll lube this up right here, slip it on. Hopefully it'll help with the tight new rubber in here. Put a little bit in the hole. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Oh yeah, check him out. Nice. Nice and lubricated. Yeah. There we go. Nice and tight. Look at that. Puppy's stainless right there. We could throw a mirror on the ground, hit the car show. Woo! Yeah. Let's wipe up the grease. We don't need that flying everywhere, huh? Messing up our stainless. There we go. Let's move on to the back, everybody. There we go, right here. Boom. We got 2 hangers up already. Right here, 2 hangers, 1 and 2. We still got the 1 and 2 right here to go. So let's see. It came with a couple hangers in there. See what we got going. Came with 2 fresh bolts and washers and nuts, lock washers.